Redefine CIP and COP cleaning. Breakthrough with ClnStryke. Patented technology. G&G Technologies and Vacuum Processing Systems have combined their experience to bring life sciences companies a state-of-the-art clean-in-place CIP and clean-out-of-place COP breakthrough in cleaning technologies, VSR. Removing the traditional CIP and COP barriers, customers can break through into a ClnStryke manufacturing suite. Introducing Vacuum Strike Reload VSR process. Vacuum Strike Reload VSR is the most exciting advancement in cleaning since the introduction of ultrasonics. VSR provides superior performance in both aqueous and solvent applications. Vacuum Strike Reload VSR is a new technology presently being used to enhance the transfer of material to or from the surface of a solid. The process is accomplished in two phases. Strike phase is applying vacuum to reduce the total pressure in a controlled environmental chamber containing a part submerged in a liquid to below the vapor pressure of the liquid. The process results in the formation of vapor bubbles, explosion, at the solid part's surface where typically nucleation sites for bubble formation can be found in the form of imperfections, crevices, or foreign particle material, followed by reload phase where vacuum is being stopped. The ClnStryke systems, designed and built by G&G Technologies and Vacuum Processing Systems, combine a cleaning chamber in conjunction with a fully integrated automated vacuum system operated from a single control and HMI on a single skid. We can clean inside and out extremely quick. We can agitate, rinse, dry, uniformly treat and coat surfaces, and passivate. We can clean so thoroughly it is sterile. We can achieve sterility without damaging your parts or components. We can reach into tight places and crevices and effectively clean areas through openings as small as 10 microns. We can clean inside any length tube in any configuration, including coils. We can remove stubborn particles from sintered materials and filter-like materials at lower temperatures and concentrations than most common methods. We can clean valves and instrumentation, medical devices, precision and moving parts, 3D printed parts, complex parts and components, even process equipment and systems. You will not have to spend time disassembling and reassembling your parts any longer during the cleaning process. The ClnStryke system's cleaning process is validatable and consistently reliable. If you are interested in this innovative cleaning process and want to learn more, please contact G&G Technologies at 401-295-4000, info@ggtechnologies.com. Let us custom design and build the system that you need. We are confident that our cleaning solution will increase your productivity and save you money.